everyone, we're Team House Matters. I'm Yiling.
I'm Yiha.
I'm Shannon.
We all three are currently living on campus housing, but we are recently three unhappy graduates because
Oh, I didn't get my housing assignment for the next semester.
Me neither.
I even forgot to fill in my application form. So basically, we three will all be homeless next semester if we don't work hard on finding ourselves a new house. So we decided to look on our new house on Craigslist. Then we find it's a really headache because none of us have the knowledge about the rental house market in Boston, and none of us have the basic idea about what types of housing and what's the average rent is around the city. So we decided to do a project to help ourselves. So we're going to introduce our project to you. First, basically, we want to build a platform that will provide information about housing rent, housing type, housing location, and housing description across Boston and surrounding cities. We are going to ask several questions. So basically, we have two different data set. The first one is our self-parsed and self-scraped data set from Craigslist. It contains data in April 2017. Another data set is also from Craigslist. We are given this data set from Professor Joseph Ferreira. Here is the basic data structure. We have original data. We synthesize the data. We count the word frequency in the posting description. We also have some geographic data in shapefile format. In terms of our technology, here is our structure. First, we use Scrapy, which is basically a Python library to scrape and parse our data from Craigslist. Then we store our data in PostgreSQL. Then we use Python, NPM, JavaScript to clean and analyze our data. Then we use QGIS, ArcGIS to spatially analyze our data. Then we dump our data in Google Chart and Carto, which is an online visualization platform to do our data visualization. Then we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript to set up a web page and synthesize all our information.
As for the code, we first use Scrapy. Scrapy is the Python library that we use to get all the URLs from each post on the Boston Craigslist website. So after we use Scrapy to get all the URLs, we use JavaScript to combine all the URLs and also store the content in a local drive and then combine information from individual web page into one JSON file. And then we identify the position where the key information like title, description, price located, and then we restore the data in an organized format. Later on, we use Python again to filter our data, to filter out the duplicates, and then also combine the posts from all the zip code into one file. And later on, we use Python to do our word count. So those words are the not necessary, not valid words that we want to filter out. So we basically extract keywords other than those less informative words. We also use Google Charts to do our data analysis. We include this data, Google Charts in our own website, which we will show later on. So lastly, as for the data visualization, we also use shapefile from ArcGIS and QGIS. We used Carto to do the interactive online map, which we'll also show later. Yeah.
And for the web setup, we have the head in the HTML, and in the HTML we have the link for the CSS format setting. Here is the two CSS file we used in the HTML, and the head part we also have the Google Chart script, which will be shown in the demo, and we also have the body part. The body part contains some different functions we want to fulfill. And here is all the HTML code for our website, and we want to show you the actual demo here. here is our website, and here is the homepage for our website. We have 5 different analysis function. The first is the rental price analysis. Second is the housing count analysis part, and the third is the room type analysis. The fourth is the word cloud analysis, and the fifth is the history analysis. We want to show you some of our cartoon map here. The first is the price of rental unit analysis, and you could click on the button to have a full page view of the map. And when you click on one of the points, which means that it's a house unit, and you could see the link, the bedroom tab, the price, and the title for this housing. And when you click on the link, you could go to the Craigslist page and see the information, all the information you need from the website. And you could also do a search on this. When you enter a zip code, you could see a right pinpoint on the map, and here is the zip code location. And we also have the word cloud function.
So as mentioned earlier, we extract the keywords from the description section of the post, and those words are the ones that appear more than 100 times. So you can see there are some keywords like location, where are Harvard Square, where are Davis Square, and among the amenities, heat, laundry, hot water, parking are always mentioned. So that's the things that people care. And we also have some other interesting words like pets, cats, dog. Those appear like 500 times. That shows people do care about those amenities.
We also analyzed the posting time. We visualized the postings from year 2015 to 2016. So basically, from this map, if you can move it, we can see most of the postings are posted during October to December. So that's when most houses are available to rent to tenants.
Yeah, so we identify 2 risks. So basically, first, we build this platform based on our own research interest. So if the audience or the client have other needs, we may better cater to their own need. And second, this data is not real-time data. If we want to have posts that are really interactive and real-time, we may want to do other data source. Yeah, so this is our team.
So now we're 3 happy graduates. We've helped ourselves. We have an understanding of this rental house market across Cambridge and Somerville. So that's basically what House Matters do. If you have any recommendations, please contact us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.